Now we back with the second half. We got the printer fully together, the head back on. But I took a break because I had the channels. I have to go back and do initial fill, and that was gonna take too long of a time to do and still have the camera running because we already was like at 20 minutes and some change in the previous video. So I didn't want to make y'all stay that long. So what we have now, that we have the actual printer printing back up. Mammoth is back up printing, and it looks pretty good. Let me let you guys check out goes on here. I just had paused it, so everything is looking good, guys. It's the first print actually with this printer since I put the print head back on. So we're gonna run through it. It's a small copy. It's a little copy. It's not a real big copy, so I'm just like a little test print. Well, actually, this is the original size of the actual image, and I'm about to print out 150 of these to be exact. This right here is a 6x8. So 150 of these is gonna be coming out the gate in a minute. This is the test. See how it's gonna come out, and once we get it dialed in, we good. So let you guys see what goes on here. The colors looking cool. The white looking real nice. It's laying super good. That's the F.O.M DTF white, F.O.M DTF CYMK colors. All this is F.O.M DTF. Go support the channel, guys. Have a chance of winning an ink bundle. Go buy your F.O.M DTF shirt. Rock with the channel. The channel's gonna rock with you. Support the channel. Channel's gonna support you. You already know what's up. We're not playing no games over here. Over here. Those colors coming out vibrant, looking nice, like that. You guys see this right here, man. So you know. But these printers print at pretty good speed. They not super fast printers, but they print super fast to me. And they print fast enough to get the job done, and you won't have no complaints. I'll tell you that much. That's what I tell you. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So what do you guys think? I bet y'all like, oh, it looks nice. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna cap you out or nothing. We gonna get it straight for you. Get it straight in. Yeah. I got that from Ice Cube. Yeah. Well, anyway, you see it's coming out the last bit of it. White laying good. That's what I'm talking about. Especially when you have good quality images, y'all. And turn that around if I can catch this right here, because you got that's the nice quality image there. Nice quality. Only how y'all knew how this process is, switching these print heads out and making the printer actually print. Like I said in the previous video, people swap these print heads, they be done. I just seen and watched the video. I just reached out to people like, hey, you changed the print head. What happened to the printer? It's not printing anymore. You have any other videos? Or, you know, nobody told me anything. So, oh yeah. Oh yes. Look at that, y'all. It's a little simple. It's just simple. Sorry about the lighting, but y'all see it. It's A1. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let me go ahead and turn this around and go ahead and show you guys like this right here what we got goes on, because I want y'all to test. Y'all can see how that look. That's the color that they going for. Color transitions look real nice and good. Sorry about the light, but you see how it look. That's A1. So we're gonna bang out 150 of these bad boys. So they're gonna be happy with the color. Oh yeah, I think it's there. That looks real nice and color. So we're gonna go ahead and bang out 150 of these bad boys. You feel me? So I appreciate everybody for like, comment, subscribing. And the white is laying perfect. Good Lord, man. I'll be amazed when I be printing with these. It's like, damn, it looks super nice. Even though I watch it all the time, I still be amazed. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. And the thing about it is the customers, they give out these good quality images, very super fine print. That's one thing about a lot of faster Asian printers, the ones with the two heads. It's hard for them to print these very, very fine little lines like this. Very, very fine line. Very, very fine. It's hard for them to print those right there. They can't print those. Move too fast. So, you know, they can, but I'm just saying, be kind of hard to see sometimes. But anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and cut this video short. Just wanted to show you guys that the printer was back up and printing, show you the quality of the image. But you're going to see more of this printer print. We just wanted to show you guys that it's possible of removing the print head and changing it and still have the printer print. You know, we fleshed the print head out, but we didn't show that in all this. Even though the print head is new print head, it's not a brand new, but it's new to this printer. And all the channels fully work. So that's the thing. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys go with that. Purchase one of the new F.O.M DTF shirts for you guys to win an ink bundle. Support the channel. Channel's going to support you. And to another one. Peace.